Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to clean your C drive in Windows 10 or Windows 11. I show you guys how to do it. First, you just need to go to search menu and type disk cleanup. Click on open it, and you just need to check all the boxes listed over here. Before that, you just need to select the drive where you want to clean up, guys. Just need to select the C drive. After check marking all these boxes, select OK and select delete files option. Next up, you just need to go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. Run window, type temp and click on OK. Delete everything inside this folder. Circle and items and select skip. And now again go to search menu and type run. Now type percentage temp percentage and press enter. Delete everything in this folder. After getting done, just to close tab here, again go to search menu and type run. In run window, you just need to type PREFETCH and press enter. Delete whatever in here, guys. I already did it, so the folder is empty. Third step, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select uninstall a program. You just need to uninstall the unused apps, guys. Just right click on them and select uninstall. After uninstalling it, just to close stuff here. Fourth step, go to search menu and type storage settings. Click on open the storage settings. Turn on this storage sense, guys. After that, click on this side arrow, and in here configure cleanup schedules. Click on the drop down and select every day, and delete files in the recycle bin if they have been there for over. Set this to 14 days so that you can recover before 14 days, and delete files in my download folder if they haven't been opened for more than, said this never. And now select run storage sense now option, and that's how you can clean a C drive in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And now you can have lots of free space available in C drive. And don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.